What's going on, X Factors? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. If you are new here, I do encourage you to subscribe to the channel. Lots of great content. You will not regret it. But without further ado, let's just jump right into this video because I don't want to make it long, but I was searching the internet and came across a topic that it seems to be simple, but it's actually not simple if you do not understand. We're going to be talking about cardiovascular fitness. When you hear the word cardiovascular, first thing that jumps out probably is cardio. And when you should think about cardio, you should think about heart. A lot of us like to correlate it with losing weight, which is okay because one of the best exercises to lose weight is going to be cardio. So if we're talking cardiovascular in general, then we are talking about the heart rate. So my top exercise that I love to do to focus on the health of my heart is walking on the treadmill. I don't like running. I don't like HIIT cardio. I hardly like riding bikes. I simply like walking on the treadmill. So one of the things I like most about the treadmill itself is the fact that I can raise it at an incline. And when I do raise it at an incline, I can potentially raise that heart rate a little higher and tap into the fat burning zone. Now this video is all opinion based. This is just my opinion and this is what I like to do. If you follow me and you see all of my transformations, you notice that I tend to go from chubby to fit. And the way I do it the best is by walking on that treadmill. Now, since we're talking about health in general, and we're talking about keeping that heart healthy, think about when older individuals go to the doctor and the doctor tells them, hey, you need to get more active. Maybe start walking around the track. Key word, walk. No matter what age you are, you should be able to walk. Obviously, if you have any injuries in your lower body and you're in a wheelchair or something of the sort, then obviously you can't walk. But for just an average individual at any type of age, whether it's 20 years old, 30 years old, all the way to even 80 years old, and you are walking or able to walk, you should be able to keep your heart healthy by simply walking on the treadmill. Or obviously when you're older, for safety precautions, just walking around the neighborhood, walking on a track. So for me, I have a treadmill in my garage, which allows me to wake up first thing in the morning and do fasted cardio. Now, recommendations for anyone out there trying to lose weight. I recommend that you do 30 minutes of cardio a day. Now you can allow yourself at least 2 rest days away from cardio. So that would be 150 minutes a week doing cardio. And when you do that cardio, I do encourage you to raise your heart rate at least 120 plus. Now 120 seems to be that heart rate level on where you are actually tapping into burning fat. So although you're losing the weight, you also are losing that fat. And we focus on losing fat over losing weight. Your appearance tends to look a little different. Your body shapes itself into the more desirable manner. But that all can be talked about in some other video. For this specific video, I just wanted to bring it to you guys and let you know, in my honest opinion, which cardio exercise I believe is the best, and that will help you to actually reach your goal. And you clicked on this video, so you obviously want to lose weight and or lose fat. So I do encourage anyone to start at 30 minutes a day on the treadmill, play around with the inclines, track your heart rate on your watch or any type of fitness device that you have, and make sure that you are actually in that fat burning zone. Now, the reason I even wanted to talk about this topic is because it seems to be simple, like I said in the beginning, but it actually is not that simple if you are a newbie or if you just don't understand how to actually lose weight or what exercise you should be doing to lose weight. Now, you can do HIIT, you can run, you can hike, you can do all type of cardio exercises. But if we're talking about longevity and what exercise actually keeps you in the game for a long time, it's going to be walking. And it's going to be walking on that treadmill because you can play around with the different levels. Now, when we talk about incline on a treadmill, you can think about hiking. So if you did want to be outdoorsy and get out there, you could go for a hike, and that also will allow you to raise that heart rate. Now, going out for jogs and runs, obviously over time, you're going to be beating up your knees. So you'll notice that a lot of folks who tend to be runners don't run anymore after they hit a certain age or after their body tells them, all right, that's it, no more running, simply because they put all that impact on their knees and they just can't do it anymore. So that is actually one of the reasons why I myself choose to not do running exercises or jogging exercises, just because it's just not necessary. I'm in this thing for the long haul, and I'm able to keep my body fat percentage at a certain rate. And that's because no matter what I eat or how I eat, I can continuously jump on the treadmill, knock out some minutes, keep that heart healthy, keep everything functioning in the body how it's supposed to, keep the digestion on point, and I'm good to go. Now, quickly to jump back into the timing of how much cardio you should be doing. When I said 30 minutes a day for at least 5 days out the week, that's about 150 minutes, and you can continuously increase from there. And you can do 35 minutes every single day for 5 days, or you can even add an extra day of 30 minutes and you could just keep playing around like that. So obviously you'll have to think about your nutrition, because that's obviously going to be one of the key factors determining whether or not you're going to be losing fat, losing weight at a good pace. But at the same time, you want to make sure that you are on point with your cardio, tracking your cardio appropriately. You can continue to just add time or add days to your cardio routine. Now, that's all I have for this video. Just real short, sweet. I just really wanted to share with you guys my opinion on the exercise that I believe is the best, the holy grail of weight loss. But I am curious to know, what is one of your favorite cardiovascular exercises that you like to do that allows you to reach your goals? So comment down below. And also, if you disagree with anything I said in this video, you guys know it's all about transparency here. So I do encourage you, again, comment down below. Let me know what you disagree with, and maybe we can have a talk in the comment section. But it's my opinion, so I doubt anybody would disagree with my opinion. This is just what works for me and what works for a lot of my clients. And if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I keep this style of training for majority of my clients, because when people come to me, they're looking to burn fat and hold on or build muscle. So if you are trying to optimize your training and actually reach those goals as far as weight loss, fat loss, or building muscle, I do encourage you guys to link up with me and we can set you up on a good routine, training and nutrition, and make sure you are hitting your numbers, being on point with everything that you're doing, and actually get that body transformation. So that's all I have for you guys today. If you like this video, I'm sure you'll like this one right here. So go ahead and click that one. Subscribe if you aren't subscribed, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video.